Before we get to the video, please hit subscribe. This helps out the video so much. Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making sauteed beet greens. So these beet greens are really good. Sometimes at the grocery store they sell beets with their leaves and their stems. And sometimes we don't know what to do with them. So today we're actually going to just saute them. So normally there's the beets, stem, and leaves. So you want to separate the leaves and the stem when we're cooking it. So just roughly chop these off. So again, you just want to roughly chop these off. And these ones with the leaves, they do have a little bit of a stem, but because it's so small, that is okay. And the bigger ones are just on the side here. Add in some olive oil to your pan and heat up your pan at medium heat. Add in about 2 tablespoons of onions. Fry your onions for about a minute. Add in about 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Let this fry for about 30 seconds. Now add the stems of the beets. After about a minute, add in the leaves. Now this is optional. You can add in some dry red chili flakes and some salt and pepper to taste. And this is it. This is my recipe for sauteed beet greens. And tonight I'm actually having this with fish curry. And I'll have a picture here for you just to show you what you can eat it with. Or you can just have it like this as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for my newest videos.